check engine light. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Once again, the video I was not expecting to make. I feel like that's gonna be my new intro. Anyways, for those of you guys who are new, I have a SuperCharged G35 and I also have a 2023 Nissan Z. How would you know? You wouldn't, because it's not here. It actually got smashed into. So it's at the collision center. We're repairing that and it's not gonna be the same ever again, sadly. But we gotta move on and we gotta make it look better. Regardless of that, this is my only car left here. And when it's raining, I can't really drive it outside. But I did. I got a check engine light. It got a check engine light. So we went from 2 cars to 1 to 0. So I took my ass over to AutoZone. Drive a shame, because no matter how many tools I have in cars, I don't have a scanner, guys. I don't have a freaking scanner. But this video gets to 1,000 likes, I'll buy a scanner for myself because I need it. So with that being said, we went down over to AutoZone. We got the paper. Let's see what that paper says. We also went to pick up some new oil so we can do an oil change on the G. So we'll take that out. Also, I did catch the G35 get the check engine light on camera. So here it is. All right, guys. And even though a lot of bad stuff is going on, there is some good stuff going on, at least for the G35, 35. And wrapping a new color. Oh, check engine light. Oh, did you guys see what happened? Uh-oh, the G35 is breaking down on me. No! Please. Anyways, guys, so we got the code right here. It's code P1615. It's an immobilizer key code error. So apparently my freaking key fob was causing an error for some reason. I don't think that's very much of it, but here are the secondary codes, which I think is the main one. P0335 crankshaft position sensor and 2 engine speed sensor circuit failure. Now when the car shut off on me, you guys saw in the video, it shut off but then it turned back on like right instantly. I automatically knew those are some symptoms for camshaft sensors, but I literally just switched the camshaft sensors like not too long ago, like maybe 3 months ago, 4 months. I was like, it can't be that, but is it? It has the symptoms. So I thought it was the camshaft sensors. Maybe I bought some cheap ones or whatever, but it's not the camshaft sensors. Now it's the crankshaft sensor. And then we got P1078 exhaust valve timing sensor. I don't know which one that is. I'm assuming because of the crankshaft sensor, but we'll do our Chris Fix-It research. Hey guys, it's Chris Fix-It, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to do your crankshaft replacement. Alright guys, completely disregard what I just said. I don't even know what sensor that is that I was talking about. But I just did a little bit of YouTube because I always do some little YouTube and research. The crankshaft sensor is literally located right under the car, like by the oil pan. It's super easy to take out. The reason why I was confusing is because my sister had a 350Z automatic, and her car, she would step on the gas all the way and it would go, but it wouldn't go full power, which is what I think is the problem with my G35. But her sensor was located somewhere here in the middle of the engine block. Do you guys remember what that sensor is that I'm confusing it with? You guys can please let me know. I can't figure it out and it's hurting my head. Anyways, guys, that was pretty much it. I'm not gonna hold you guys anymore. I mean, freaking, it's raining. I'm not gonna be able to drive my G35. I don't have my Z, so I can't do much as far as content and stuff like that. But I just want to give you guys an update. I took this out for a ride yesterday. Got to check engine light. So now I have no cars. We gotta fix it, but we got time because the Z ain't gonna be here for like a month or so. Bro, I've been having so much bad luck, bro. I really think somebody put like a bad spell on my name or something, bro. Like, I don't know why so many bad things are happening right now, but despite I'm trying to stay positive, but it's freaking hard, bro. One car breaks down, then the other one, like, oh well. Catch you guys later.